welcome to my vlog. I'm here again. Hello. Hello, WPC na. I just need to buy a vegetable that I need in the for 9 minutes ago. See, later I come back. I need to get down. Scissors and coconut milk. I need the scissors so that I can clean the shrimp. Good morning everyone. Happy Tuesday. It's time this week. The UAE is with a lot because of what happened last night, early morning today. A while ago. How many times I received a warning from the government about the missile bomb. I think 3 times I received a warning, 3 times. If it's not important, I'm not going out. If we don't have something to cook in the house, I need to buy. That's why. But I need to be hurry. I won't stay long outside. Because it's dangerous if I stay long outside. The government has advised us to stay at home to be safe because the debris or the missile or the drones that is blowing up, it's flying everywhere. Dangerous if the debris will if we are outside and the debris will giving us. I need scissors. And that's all guys. If you like my video, don't forget to click like, heart, leave a comment or suggestion. Don't forget to share and subscribe. Thank you very much. Bye.